Hello, today we will talk about guidelines for registration, using and providing of electronic invoice information. On June 1, 2022, the Tax Department of Ho Chi Minh City issued Notice No.8625/TB-CTTPHCM guiding the registration, using, and providing of electronic invoice information in accordance with the provisions of Decree No.123/2020/NDCP, and Circular No.78/2021/TT-BTC. Accordingly, enterprises, economic organizations, other organizations, households, and individuals' business are required to convert and use e-invoices according to the new form specified in Decree No.123/2020/NDCP and Circular No.78/2021/TT-BTC before July 1, 2022, because from July 1, 2022, paper invoices and old model electronic invoices have expired. Enterprises, economic organizations, other organizations, households, and individuals' business that are not subject to stop using invoices may be registered to use e-invoices according to the provisions of Decree No.123/2020/NDCP and Circular No.78/2021/TT-BTC to make sure they have invoices for using. In case the tax authority has replied to accept the registration for the use of e-invoices, they must cancel and send a cancellation notice to the tax office for the old invoices that have not yet been used. From the time of using the new model e-invoices, the enterprise must cancel the old paper invoices and e-invoices that have not yet been used and must send a notice of cancellation to the tax authority. When there is a change in the symbol of the invoice, which has been registered for use, the enterprise is not required to register for the change of information for the use of e-invoices. However, when an enterprise wants to add another type of invoice used according to Clause 5, Article 8 of Decree No.123/2020/NDCP, the enterprise must register to change information according to Form No. 01/DKTDHDDT in Annex IA. Enterprises can use electronic invoices of many suppliers. If an enterprise has already registered for the use of e-invoices and received a notification from the tax authority, then the enterprise changes or adds e-invoice service providers. It does not need to register for changes in information for using e-invoices, unless the change of supplier results in a change of the digital signature. In case the email address on the declaration of registration for using e-invoices is incorrect, the enterprise does not receive notices from the tax authorities. Receipt notice. Notice of acceptance of registration for use. The enterprise must register to change the registration information for using e-invoices according to Form 01/DKTDHDDT. In case the parent company does not register to use e-invoices for dependent units, if the dependent units directly sell goods, monitor and fully account for input and output VAT and register for tax declaration and payment to the tax authority directly managing, the dependent unit shall register to use separate e-invoices. This notice also contains some additional instructions on e-invoices, such as the case where the buyer does not have a tax code, the invoice is not issued a code due to the wrong format, etc. Handling electronic invoices made with errors. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to update the latest information on legal documents and relevant specialized news. Thank you and see you soon.